Welcome, friends. Welcome back. Welcome to today's Chi Energy activation. Today, let's do some stretching. I feel the need for a little stretching. And let's stretch with the 8 Brocades. Just taking it slow and easy, using the breath to extend the stretch maybe a little further, without stressing, without straining. So come into the beginning of the earth position with your feet shoulder width apart. Knees comfortably bent. Relax the shoulders, put a smile on your lips, slow down the breath. Focus on your heart center, visualize a beautiful golden light in your heart. Feel the warmth. Feel the rays of that sun radiating out to every part of your body. Feel the unconditional love of the sun penetrating deep into your cells. Beautiful. On a long, slow, gentle inhalation, raise the energy up. Interlock the fingers, press the hands to the sky, lift the heels off the ground if you can, then release the breath as you come back down. See if you can coordinate with the movement. If you need to take more than one breath, that's all good. Breathing in, holding as you press, lift the head and the chest, the heels, and then releasing as you come down. Now let's see if we can do one fluid movement. Breathe. Oh, as you release the breath, it's good to make a little sound. 5, helps you to release completely. 6. In through the nose and out through the mouth. 7, last. Great. Come into the horse stance. Legs open at double the usual width. Toes open at 45 degrees. Bring the arms up in front with a loose fist. Make an L shape with the index finger and thumb on the left hand. Raise your right elbow. Look left. Breathing in, dropping down, drawing the bow across the chest. Breathing out, rising back up. Switch sides. Breathing in, dropping to whatever level feels right for you today. Breathing out, rising. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Bring the feet back to hip width apart. We're going to do that side stretch now. Breathing in, raise the hands up to the sides of the ribs. Press the right hand now to the sky, the left hand to the floor. Stretching the whole right side on the exhalation. Breathing in, rotate, windmilling the hands. Left hand comes to the left ear, right hand comes to the right side of the ribs, the middle of the ribs, and exhaling, press, stretch. 2, breathing in. Breathing out. 3, breathing into the nose. Out to the mouth. 4, 5. If you have the fingers pointing into center, it seems like you get a little bit more of a stretch. Try it. 6, 7, 8. Circle the left hand down slowly. Great. Now let's raise both palms up simultaneously to the height of the middle of the ribs or to your navel. As you press the hands down, look gently over the left side. Breathing in, raising the palms, the head comes back to center. Breathing out, lowering the palms, the head looks over the right side. Breathing in and breathing out. 4. 5. Every movement, see if you can gain just a little extra, again, without forcing. 6. 7. 8. Come back into the horse stance. Rest your hands on your quads. Tucking your tailbone, relax the shoulders. Breathing in, circle down to the right and up to the left, exhaling on the way back up. And then the other way, breathing in on the way down, exhaling on the way up for 2. Swaying your head and swaying your butt. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Bring the feet now to hip width apart. Support the lower back with the hands. Make a long, slow, deep inhalation, and on the exhalation, we brush the hands down the back side of the legs, reaching for the feet. Exhaling, we come back, brushing the inside of the legs, wrapping the hands around the lower back, and arching back as we complete the exhalation gently, slowly. Going back till you exhale completely, breathing in, brushing the hands down the back of the legs. Breathing out, up the front of the legs, wrapping them to the back, bending, arching, slowly, gently. Down for 3, reaching for the feet. If you only get to the ankles or the shins, that's totally good. As you practice more and more, it'll get better. Touch the top of the feet, eventually the toes, and eventually the floor with consistency. Breathing in, breathing out. Let's do one more of these. Okay, bring the feet back into the horse stance. Make loose fist, drop down a little bit, tap on the top of the hip bones. Yeah. All right, we're going to throw those alternating punches with intense focus concentration. Pick a point in front of you. Stay focused there. Take a breath in. Exhaling, throw the punch with the right arm, drop down. Inhaling, rise and return. Exhaling, left punch. 2, 3. Kind of like an isometric punch. 4. Lots of concentration, lots of intensity. 5. 7. 8. Perfect. Bring the feet together. Conclude with the heel drop 8 times. Breathing in, lifting the heels up off the ground. Breathing out, the heels fall back naturally, giving a slight jolt. The meridians on the center of the heels. Here we go. 2, 3. Again, making that or sigh as you release the breath. Make a fist with the right hand, bring it into the left palm. Bow gently forward. Thank you for your practice. Let's go into movement for the day. Today we're going to do a full body cleansing movement. The feet shoulder width apart, knees comfortably bent, shoulders relaxed. And a long, slow inhalation, raise the hands up over the head, gathering the chi. And folding the hands, directing the energy towards the forehead. And spiraling as we bring the energy to you. Spiraling is like this. Hands come down towards the forehead, then they go down, out, around, over the top, and back. That's 1, 2, and we do 3. When we've completed the spiraling, we breathe in, opening, looking up in gratitude. Saying thank you, thank you, thank you. As we receive the energy from above, and then we bring that energy back again to the top of the crown. The next inhalation, we raise the hands up. And on the exhalation, we flow the energy down from the top of the crown, down that central axis of our body, to the base of the torso. And then we lean back on our heels as we feel the energy rushing down our legs, out our feet, back to the ground. Then we breathe in, leaning forward on the balls of our feet, raising the palms up, and spiral again 3 times, this time in a circular motion, left hand moving clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Now projecting the energy down from the palms to the feet, you lower the hands back. Here we go with another round, opening the palms facing forward, long, slow, deep inhalation, raising the energy up. Uniting it with the energy of the heavens. Now you bring that energy towards the forehead and you spiral 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If you need to take more than 1 breath of spiraling, that's totally fine. Now a long, slow inhalation, opening, expanding, looking up in gratitude. Exhaling as you bring the energy back towards the top of the crown. Inhaling as your hands rise just a few inches. Exhaling as you flow the energy down for full body cleansing. Get to the height of the hips, you lean back on the heels, feel the energy rush down the legs, out the feet, back to the ground. Lean forward on the balls of the feet as you inhale, raise the palms up. Exhaling, spiraling, 1, 2, 3, directing the flow of the energy from the palms to the feet as you come back down. Let's do 1 more round. Palms facing forward, breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, spiraling. 1, 2, 3. Breathing in, gathering. Breathing out, receiving. Breathing in. Now flowing the energy from the top of the crown to your 3rd eye, to your throat chakra, to your heart chakra, to your lower dantian, all your internal organs, down to your hips. Now lean back on the heels Energy passing the thighs, the knees, the calves, the ankles, the feet back out to the ground. Lean forward on the balls of your feet. Raise the palms up on the inhalation. Spiraling. 1, 2, 3. Bring the hands back down to your sides. Take a relaxing breath into the nose and out to the mouth. Bring your hands into prayer position. Bow gently forward. Giving thanks to you for your practice today. Looking forward to practicing again with you here soon for another Qi energy activation.